Hi, this is Ryan from Acid Rain Technology, and in this video we're going to explore using Maestro as an unusual sort of gate sequencer using the low and square waveforms. I have the first 4 channels of Maestro patched out to a sample player with a kick, a clap, a closed hi-hat, and open hi-hat samples. Maestro is also being clocked by an external clock source that I'll be stopping and starting throughout the video. We'll start with channels 2 through 4 muted, and on channel 1 we have a quarter note square waveform. This gives us a 4 on the floor kick. Right away I can jam on the timing of this square waveform to produce different kinds of kick patterns live, and you can see the result on the oscilloscope in the upper right hand corner. We'll start with channel 2 also on a quarter note square, and when I unmute it and press play, it sounds a little boring. So how about we try a chain of low, square for channel 2. This gives us a more conventional clap or snare drum pattern. To make things more interesting, let's try a chain of low, square, square, low, square, low on channel 2. And then if we change the timing to 8th note, we get kind of an interesting Latin rhythm. And I can again jam on that with different timings. Let's assign channel 3, the closed hi-hat, to a 16th note square. Now let's try a chain on channel 3 and assign some specific timings to some of the waveforms. So how about a 30-second square, 30-second square, low, square, low, square, square, 30-second square, 30-second square. It's pretty funky. Now again, I can jam on the timings for channel 3, and that's going to change the timing of the waveforms that I have not specified a timing for in the building of the chain. So if I make the timing a little slower, it makes the hi-hat pattern a little bit sparser. And conversely, if I make it faster, it makes that pattern denser. For the open hi-hat on channel 4, I'm going to try a slow timing on a square wave to try to get a more sparse gate pattern. So the open hi-hat comes in very infrequently now. We can try it a little more frequently. Maybe a triplet, throw things off a little bit. As with anything on the Maestro, I can save all these channel settings in a save slot. We'll save that to slot 1. Now I can play around and jam on my settings. And how about make something a little busier? Save that into slave slot 2, and now load up slave slot 1 again. This allows you to switch between 2 completely different drum patterns very easily. This allows you to control the density and excitement of your whole patch with a single control interface on the Maestro. I hope this video will inspire some unusual Maestro patching, and if you find any other ways to use Maestro as a gate sequencer, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.